Students, at one moment we will discuss surface tension and we will start with surface energy, and we will try to establish the relation between surface tension and surface energy. बघा हा, surface tension, surface energy and the relationship between them. What is surface tension? Surface tension is denoted by the letter T, which is force per unit length acting at right angles to the free surface. हा liquid चा surface असेल, the force which acts at right angles to the free surface of the liquid किंवा perpendicular to the free surface of the liquid is called as surface tension. SI unit I have already told you, Newton per meter, and dimensions are m1 l0 t minus 2. Next, we will discuss surface energy. For surface energy, we will discuss that previous diagram here, where we had taken three molecules. Molecule A was well within, molecule C was on the surface, and molecule B was inside, slightly within the surface. These were the sphere of influence. These were the sphere of influence of molecule A, molecule C, molecule B respectively. Sphere of influence though. Are you okay here? Point number 1. Surface energy. आता among all, आता surface energy चं साधं meaning काय होतं? Among the three molecules, the cohesive force acting on the molecule A is maximum, and the cohesive force acting on the molecule, cohesive बोलते हैं teacher, the cohesive force acting on the molecule A is maximum, the cohesive force acting on the molecule C is minimum. कळतं है? Point number 1. So students, the cohesive force acting on the molecule A is maximum, acting in the vertically downward direction. If I want to bring the molecule A towards the surface, I have to perform work. Work against what? Work against the cohesive force which pulls it down. Your net force which pulls it down. Every time I perform work to bring the molecule A from within the liquid to the surface, the potential energy of the molecule increases. The difference between the potential energy of the molecule when it was in this position and when it is brought to the surface, whatever is the difference in the potential energy, potential energy required, work done, is called as surface energy. So what is surface energy? Surface energy is the total work done to bring the molecule from well within the liquid surface to the surface. Because you have to pull the, always the, due to surface tension, the molecule is tending to be pulled in the vertically downward direction, and I have to perform work to move the molecule against this force which pulls it down. But tendency of any surface is to acquire minimum potential energy and hence minimum area, hence minimum number of molecules. म्हणजे जर मला खालून वरती जर मॉलिक्यूल आणायचं, सरफेसची टेंडन्सी काय की मॉलिक्यूल जेवढे कमी तेवढे त्याला बेटर. का? कारण जेवढे मॉलिक्यूल्स जास्त तेवढी पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी जास्त, स्टेबिलिटी कमी होते. Hence, if it tries to acquire minimum area, the molecules are pushed downwards. सगळे surface वरचे molecules are pushed downwards. Hence, if I want to bring the molecule against this force which pushes it downward, I have to perform work, and that work is called surface energy. A very important term. We will try to establish the relation between, थोडं मोठं करते, we will try to establish the relation between surface tension and surface energy. Okay, for that consider an open rectangular frame, open a PQRS, on which the wire, we will put it like this, S dash R dash moves, on which the wire moves. ठीक है? When this open rectangular frame on which this wire slides is dipped in a soap solution, a soap film is formed. Soap film is formed. And what is that soap film here? It is PQR dash S dash. Soap film is formed. PQR dash S dash. The force due to surface tension acts perpendicular to the surface in all possible directions. Force due to surface tension is always perpendicular. But I am interested only in this. Will not consider those forces. This is the force due to surface tension which acts perpendicular to the surface of the film. Let the wire S dash R dash be of length L. Then the force due to surface tension is what? Force per unit length. Now you may ask me, teacher, 2 ने का multiply केला त्याला, कारण soap solution मध्ये बुडवल्यानंतर soap film is formed and soap film has 2 surfaces मुलं. जैसे coin के 2 surfaces असतात ना, तसेच soap film ला 2 surfaces असतात. Therefore T is equal to F upon 2L. मला सांगा, therefore what is force? T into 2 capital L. If I want to pull the wire to a position S double dash R double dash through a distance dx. If I want to pull this typical wire which slides over the rectangular frame through a distance dx to a new position S double dash R double dash, then I have to perform work. Work against what? Work against this force F which pulls it towards PQ. I have to perform work against this force which pulls it towards PQ. What is the formula for work? Work done is force into displacement. Therefore, work done is force into force value 2TL into dx. Length into breadth gives you what? 2 times length into breadth gives you what? Length into breadth gives you the area. Tension as it is 2L into dx gives you what? Gives you the area of the small little rectangle formed, which is S dash, S double dash, R double dash, R dash. Area formed, and that is the area of the rectangle. Very easy. ते तुम्हाला parallelogram दिसतं, पण ते 3 dimensional असल्यामुळे मला नाईलाज आहे. ठीक आहे? TDA. Therefore, surface tension is what? Work done upon dA. Work done is stored in the form of work done against the force is stored in the form of potential energy, which is called surface energy, and surface energy upon area is nothing but surface tension. So what is surface tension? It is surface energy per unit area. I'll repeat again. Surface tension is the force per unit length acting at right angles to the liquid surface. What is surface energy? It is the energy required to bring the molecule from within the liquid surface to the liquid surface. Why? Because liquid surface tends to acquire minimum potential energy and hence push the molecules in the vertically downward direction. Hence, if the molecules are to be brought from within to the surface, I have to perform work which is called surface energy. To establish the relation between surface tension and surface energy, what we have done? We have taken an open rectangular frame PQRS. He open rectangular frame on which the wire S dash R dash slides without friction. त्या फ्रेमला soap solution मध्ये बुडवा. We will get a soap film. Soap film PQR dash S dash. Soap film is formed. Okay, the formula for surface tension is F upon L. Here I have divided it by 2 because soap film has two surfaces, खाले आणि वरती. त्यामुळे 2 ने divide करायचं. Therefore F is equal to what? 2T into L. If I want to pull the wire, how does the force due to surface tension act? Perpendicular to the length, pulling the wire towards PQ. If I want to pull the wire S dash R dash through a distance dx, I have to perform work against the force. The work done is given by F into dx. Work done is given by force is this dx. 2 length into breadth gives you the area. Where does the work done go? That is stored in the form of potential energy, and that is called surface energy. So surface tension is surface energy upon area. Very important derivation, students. Okay. For today I will stop. We'll continue again tomorrow. Chalo, bye.